morning, you guys. So it's been a while since I've done a morning routine, so I figured why not do a morning routine and you guys can kind of share kind of like how my day go. It's pretty boring. I record reels and do things and work or whatever, so it's not gonna be like all super exciting, but I still want to share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it.
So this particular morning, once I got myself situated, I headed downstairs and began to remove all of the furniture off of the rug. I hired a company to come in to clean everything. I'm sure if you guys have been here long enough, you know I like to bring in the New Year's in a clean house. Again, I wanted to go ahead and get all of the upholstery clean. I wanted to get all of the rugs in the house cleaned also. So this is the company here. I will be talking about this a little bit more on Instagram because this is a brand deal that was for Instagram. So I won't be sharing the company's name now. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you want to follow me. That way you can get the discount code to use this on this particular app. But not only am I recording for YouTube, I'm sure you guys have figured out by now that I'm double dipping. So I am recording for Instagram also. Like I said, this is an ad for Instagram. And please do not flood my comments, you guys, about his shoes. I made sure that as he's cleaning, he's working backwards. So the areas where he stepped with his shoes, he's also cleaning. Once he got done with the rug downstairs, he moved upstairs. For those of you that are new to my channel, my sectional is Krypton fabrics. So pretty much what that means is it gets dirty, but the cleanup is a lot easier. With that being said, he's cleaning the sectional. That way I can bring in the new year in a tip-top clean home. As you can see where the kids touch some of the areas of the sectional, it's extremely easy to clean it. Even if he wasn't using this particular machine with the Krypton fabric, you can use a damp cloth and just a little bit of a cleaning solution and wiping it and cleaning it. But again, I didn't want to be bothered considering he was going to be here. I felt like it was great for him to go ahead and tackle every single room in the house and clean all the areas that needed cleaning. That way I can act like I don't live here. So once he got done in the living room, he moved over into my bedroom. If you follow me on Instagram, I talked about this and I showed this. So he has a smaller tool that gets attached to the hose. And this is really the only area of my bed that really gets dirty. And that's just some mornings and some nights when I've lotioned up and I've kind of grazed that area with my shin. Some of the product will go on there again. It takes a while for it to actually get dirty. So I can do this once a year. I highly recommend that when you have upholstery to get your upholstery clean, simply because of dirt and skin and everything else that gets on the furniture. It's just really good to get it a really deep cleaning. So of course he's doing an amazing job. I took a towel and just kind of wrapped the area. Once he gets done with my bed, he is also going to do the rug and he's going to be doing the day bed in front of my bed, you guys. I love my bedroom. I love my bedroom. This is actually one area of the house that is 10% away from being fully completed. I have to patch some areas on the wall. I have to caulk some of the box trim. Other than that, the space is actually really done. So I'm really, really excited because I feel like this is the year where things are going to kind of close out and I can actually rest financially. This is pretty much the next day. I had a brand deal in the morning. is with bio oil. This was actually a really great opportunity because I have been using bio oil on my scar. So when they reached out to me for 2 different opportunities to work and do content, I was like, heck yeah, this is absolutely amazing. So Somi's actually here and he's taking the pictures, and I'm also doing some videos, again, cross advertising for Instagram and also YouTube. And again, every morning is very different. The day before, I moved everything to clean, and the day after, I was preparing myself for the photo shoot.
I'll do one more just to make sure, since we're keeping
yeah, like
sequence.
I just wanted, so I just put the bio oil here, and then like, can you see it?
Yeah, but fix your face a little bit. Oh, come back over. There you go, right there.
After my photo shoot, I had a company come out that I also hired to pressure wash the house. I'm gonna try to be a little bit more consistent about this. I highly recommend maybe every 6 months getting the house pressure wash. I went the whole entire year and didn't do anything because I was focusing on the interior of the house. So before the year closed out, I wanted to make sure that I got the house pressure washed. And as you can see, it definitely needed the TLC. This is the front of the house, and it's not too bad. It's really the front of the door that needed some real attention. This year, I will be updating the lights and different things in front of the house. So I want to kind of just give you a little bit of a look. I think I'm also going to hire a company just to kind of touch up on some of the areas that needed painting, but that's pretty much it.
All right, you guys. So now we are downstairs. I really wanted to be able to record taking down the Christmas tree and everything like that, but my son had other plans. I can't even be upset with him. I've been asking him, to help me out around the house a little bit more, just do some stuff and start getting responsible. Like, he's 15, he's going to be 16 this year. So it's like, you want to start doing some things because slowly but surely, you're going to start kind of like being on your own and stuff. And so I woke up and the child says to me, "You welcome." I hadn't even gotten out my room yet. And he was like, "You welcome." And I'm thinking to myself, like, why does he keep saying "you welcome"? And he says to me, when you go downstairs and you see what I've done, you're going to say thank you. So I'm just going to go ahead and get it out the way early and say, "You're welcome." And so I'm like, okay. And so when I come down the stairs and I look over, I literally fall down the steps because I'm such in shock, and I go, "Oh, no." And, he goes into the shower, he comes out, he's like, "You proud of me?" Because he helped and he was responsible and he did what he thought was correct. And I just said, "I'm very proud of you. Thank you so very much." But on the inside, I ain't gonna lie, I was gonna die. My plan was to record the ribbon, the balls, and everything before I finally took the tree down. I did take the one that was over here down, but I left this one halfway done. That way I was going to get at least 4 videos recorded for next year, but it's all good. He did do something quite amazing. He did exactly what I asked him to do, which is to help out. He packed the tree up. He took all the balls and put them in the box. So I did not have to do any of the packing of the Christmas decor, minus, this tree over here. He did that one. So I have no footage of taking down the tree, but I am very, very happy because all of the upholstery in the house is clean. The only thing that I did not clean is the dining, and that's because I'm really thinking about changing out the chairs. So let me pan over here really quickly because I already tested out some chairs, and I'm gonna do an overlay to show you what the new chairs here are gonna look like. I'm gonna start saving up for those chairs to order this year. I'm gonna say it now, it's probably not gonna get here until December, but it's fine as long as I know it's ordered. I'm just gonna sit tight with it, and then I have to look for a new artwork for the fireplace, and then I'm gonna start slowly incorporating some things into the bookcase. Nothing crazy, just little small light colors. And then, of course, this sofa has to get picked up to fix the 2 lines on the back. If they don't fix it, of course I'm gonna have to get another one. But this is pretty much what the space is looking like, you guys. I love it so much. I'm in the middle of cleaning, so the vacuum and the broom and everything is on the floor. There goes the broom. But I want to show you because even this area here is really cute. I'm gonna look for something to go over there. I've opened up the closet door here just to let it kind of air out. The boys have been in there and it smelled like boy. So I took everything out that room. I'm let it air out. I'm gonna go in there with some Fabuloso and just wipe the walls down, wipe everything down, give it another fresh coat of paint, probably sometime in the next 2 months or so. And yeah, get all of that situated. I put, well, again, let me not say I, because like I said, my son did help. The drapery back into this area. I still have to steam it. And then the drapery for my office is getting done. You guys, if you don't know, my panels are still available. So going into 2022, if you're looking to upgrade your windows and put some drapery up, you can definitely head over. I'll leave a link in the bio where you guys can set up a consultation. If you're in Atlanta, you can set up a phone consultation. You can get your windows fully measured and custom. Last but not least, you guys, my computer, it is set up. Final Cut Pro is on this bad boy. I have not used it just yet because I had to order like some sort of converter plug from Amazon. But eventually what's going to end up happening is the HP is going to be moved over here to the corner with a clear glass desk. I will be moving that small table and Kevin will be working over there. And then the Apple will be on my desk and it will have the Final Cut Pro. And then sometime in the future, I'm going to find someone to do wallpaper. And this room is going to get wallpapered up. You can see I have the samples on the back wall right there. And then the drapery panels are going to be put on. And then, of course, I'm going to change out the rug. And then my office will be completed. I think just to have the wallpaper on here would be really nice, just to give it another little extra little detail in here. And again, coming in, everything just looks really nice and neat. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I have a little bit of a headache, and I'm also going to be leaving here at about 5:30 to go hang out with a couple of girls on Instagram and YouTube. My first little outing. I'm gonna start saying yes in 2022. I'm gonna work on meeting more people just because, hello, your girl can't be by herself forever, okay? I'm gonna have to get out here and mingle and all that. So I'm gonna start saying yes a bit more often, okay? So y'all wanna invite me somewhere, just ask your girl, okay? But anyway, you guys, have an amazing one. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot back upstairs again real quickly.